In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dropshipping in Shopify. This process is designed to be straightforward and efficient, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to Shopify's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you do, navigate to the login page and sign in to your Shopify admin panel. This is where all the magic happens, as it serves as the central hub for managing your online store. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar of the admin panel. Here, you'll see a section labeled Apps. Click on the plus Add button. This step is crucial because the power of dropshipping comes largely from the apps you can integrate into your store. Now, with the App Store open, use the search bar to look for dropshipping. This will pull up a variety of applications designed to streamline your dropshipping operations. After reviewing the available options, select an app that suits your needs and click Install. Each app is designed to enhance different aspects of dropshipping, be it product sourcing, order tracking, or inventory management. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. These prompts will guide you through giving the app the necessary permissions to function correctly and integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. With installation completed, the app will be listed under the Apps section in your admin panel. This is your cue to start configuring the app settings to match your preferences. Typically, the app will have a setup guide or tutorial to get you started, detailing all the settings you might want to tweak. This might include how you want orders fulfilled, how inventory is tracked, or what kind of notifications you'd like to receive. The next step is to connect your Shopify store to a supplier. Many dropshipping apps will have a directory of suppliers you can choose from, or they may be linked to a specific supplier. Integrating your store with a supplier allows for the automatic processing of orders, making the dropshipping process efficient and effective. With your supplier linked, import products into your store. Most dropshipping apps simplify this process, allowing you to choose products and import them in clicks. Once you have products in your store, take the time to customize it. Adjust the look and feel to align with your brand, creating a cohesive and attractive shopping experience for your customers. Now that your store is tailored and ready to go, focus on marketing your business. Shopify has tools and resources to help you reach your target audience, but always remember that marketing is a continual process. Monitor your store's performance using Shopify's analytics, tweaking and improving as you gather more data on what works and what doesn't. And there you have it. You've set up dropshipping in Shopify. This approach allows you to operate your business without the need to hold inventory, making it an excellent option for those looking to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront costs. Happy selling!